Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch out the hard drive on a 2012 MacBook Pro. Before I get into the details, let me just show you what you'll need to follow along with me. The first thing you'll need is a toolkit. This is what you'll use to open the back of your computer and replace all the parts inside. The second thing you'll need is a new hard drive to replace the old one you're taking out. Now, you can actually replace your old hard drive with a solid state hard drive, and that means that there's no moving parts, so it moves a little bit faster, but memory is more expensive. I went for the larger memory for cheap because this is an older hard drive that does have a moving part, so it takes longer to read. So here I went with 1 terabyte. It cost me about 50 bucks. If you were to get a 250 gigabyte solid state hard drive, it would cost you about 80 bucks. So you gotta kind of juggle whether you want a faster computer or you want more memory. Now this right here is an optional extra. If you want, you can buy a hard drive reader, which is what this is, and that way you can pull all your files off your old hard drive and put it onto your new hard drive once you've installed the new one into your computer. So now the first thing you're going to do is remove all 10 of these screws around the edge of the back of your MacBook Pro. So here you should always keep track of your screws so you never lose them. We got the 3 long ones that go in this hole, this hole, and this hole. And then we got 4 on this side and 3 on this side. So let's just keep them right there so we don't lose them. Now, we're just gonna remove the back. It comes off very easily. And there's the inside of your computer. So this right here is what we're gonna be replacing today. This is the hard drive. And the first thing you're going to need to do to get this out is take your screw. You're going to go for these two, you got to take these 2 screws out first because this is what's holding the hard drive in place and keeping it from shaking around. Now these don't actually have to come all the way out. You can just loosen them enough that they're out of the backing and just keep them in here like this so you don't lose them. Now, to remove the hard drive, you just take this little tab right here and pull it out. But be very careful that you don't pull too hard because this is what's connecting your hard drive to the computer. So to get it out, you just pull on it gently. And voila, easy as hell. So now this tab here, you're actually going to want to keep it. It peels off the back. I'm not going to because this is actually the hard drive that I'm using right now, the 1 terabyte that I've already replaced. And so normally what you do is you would grab your new hard drive, which would be in your little box. You take it out and see these screws right here on the sides of my hard drive. These right here, and on this side too, there's 4 of them in all. So these normally don't come with the hard drive, so you'll have to unscrew them from your old hard drive and put them back in this one. Now, once you've done that, you just put it right back in. So remember, shiny side up. Oh, but first of all, yeah, this tab, don't forget to take this off and put it on your new hard drive. Because this will help it come out a lot easier. So now, you're going to take this, plug it back in. Carefully, of course. And just place it back where the old hard drive was. Now, you're going to take this piece right here, with the screws still in it. You're going to put it right here, like so. Oh, and one trick I did, I left one longer than the other so I remember which side's which. I'm going to screw them back in. Alright, so if you've done this correctly, it shouldn't move around at all, and looks like we're good. I watched a video where they did this, and the guy didn't have those little stubs on the side of the hard drive that you take off the old hard drive and put on the new one. And he just used paper towel, which I do not recommend because I feel like that could too easily lead to some overheating issues. So once you got that back in, you just gotta close her up. Okay, so once you've gotten all these screws back in, you can flip it over. And it should turn on right away. However, remember, because you've just replaced your hard drive, there's going to be nothing on it. In fact, your computer probably won't get past this Apple loading screen, this one right here. Alright, so there you are. That's how easy it is to replace the hard drive on a 2012 MacBook Pro. If you'd had that done in the Apple Store, it would have costed you about $200 in labor, so it's definitely better to do it by yourself. Now remember, with a blank hard drive, you're not going to have any operating system on it. So at this point, you can either look up for another video on how to get all that whole operating system, or you can just go to the Apple Store and have them do it for you for free, because they will do that for free. And then once you have that all set up, you can plug your old hard drive in using that hard drive reader I showed you at the beginning of the video, and just pull all your files onto your new hard drive. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.